and welcome back to IT Solutions Pro. Today, we are diving deep into the architecture of large language models. Many of you have asked, how do I build a chatbot that actually remembers me? You see, by default, the OpenAI API is what we call stateless. This means it treats every single interaction as a completely new event. It has zero memory of the past. If you are building a serious application, whether for customer support, personal assistance, or automation, this is a problem. In this masterclass, we are not just writing code. We are building a state management system in Python using a dynamic list structure. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional chatbot running locally on your machine. Before we touch the code, we need access. Go to Platform, OpenAI.com. If you are new here, make sure you check your Billing section. The API is not free, but it is very cheap. You need to have a few dollars in credit for this to work. Now, navigate to the API Keys section on the left sidebar. Click Create New Secret Key. Name it Python Chatbot. Warning: you will only see this key once. Copy it immediately. If you lose it, you cannot view it again. This key is your password. Never share it online. Now, open VS Code. Let's set up a professional environment. First, we need to install the necessary libraries. In your terminal, type Python-m pip install open.i Python-Dotenv. Why Python-Dotenv? Because hard-coding your API key inside your script is the #1 security vulnerability for developers. If you upload your code to GitHub with the key inside, hackers will find it in seconds. So let's do it the right way. Create a file named .env. Inside the file, define your environment variable by typing OpenAI_API_key equals and paste your key. Save it. Now let's create main.py. First, imports. Import OS. From OpenAI, import OpenAI. And from .env, import load_.env. Load the environment variables using load_.env. Initialize the client. Client equals OpenAI. Now, I want to show you exactly why beginners fail. I will write a loop that sends only the new message to the API. Watch this. Now let's run in terminal. I will ask, my favorite color is blue. The bot says, okay. Now I ask, what is my favorite color? The bot says, "I don't know." This happens because we are not sending the context. The API has forgotten the first sentence. Let's fix this permanently. To solve this, we need a conversation history. In Python, the best tool for this is a list. Let's define a list variable called messages. We initialize it with a system message. Role, system. Content, you are a professional IT assistant. This tells the AI how to behave. It sets the tone for the entire chat. Now we enter our while true loop. We capture the user underscore input. We also add a break condition. If user underscore input dot lower equals exit, break. Now pay attention. Before we talk to the AI, we must append the user's message to our messages list. Messages.append, role, user content, user underscore input. Now our list contains the system instructions and the user's question. Now we make the call. Response equals client.chat.completions.create. Let's look at the parameters. Model equals GPT-4o. You can also use GPT 3.5 Turbo if you want to save money. Messages equals messages. This is the magic. We are sending the whole list. Let's add one more parameter. Temperature equals 0.7. Temperature controls creativity. 0 is very strict and logical. 1 is very creative and random. 0.7 is a perfect balance for a chatbot. We extract the answer. Bot underscore reply equals response.choices0.message.content. Print it to the screen. But we are not done. This is where the loop closes. We must take the bot reply and append it back to our messages list with the role of assistant. If we miss this step, the AI will remember you, but it will not remember itself. Now the circle is complete. Before we run the final test, I want to explain a critical part of this code, the try and except block. You might ask, why do we need this? Here is why. We are connecting to an external server, OpenAI. Real-world software is unpredictable. Your internet might drop, your API key might expire, or the server might be overloaded. If we don't use this block, and an error occurs, your Python script will panic and crash immediately. The window will close, and you will lose your entire conversation history. So I want you to go ahead and type this line exactly as you see it. Great. Now let me tell you what you just wrote. By typing except exception as E, we are telling Python, if something goes wrong, don't crash. Just catch the error, save it in this variable E, and print it for me. This keeps your program alive even when errors happen. This is what makes your software robust and professional. Let's run the final master build. Hi, I am Anna. I am recording a YouTube video. What did I say I was doing? Look at that! You said you were recording a YouTube video. It works perfectly. It feels alive. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe to IT Solutions Pro. I'll see you in the next one.